What's up, everybody? Appreciate those of you that tuned in. I'm just trying to, get this project done in a reasonable amount of time. At the same time, I'm just so excited to do stuff to it. I just want to buy all the parts right now, but I'm going to be patient, as my friend Clarence told me. And as you can see, I just leave the engine exposed and the doors open just to air it out, but I'm leaving the engine bay open. That way, every time I come in the garage, I have to see it, and it motivates me to want to put the other engine in it. My goal is to get the chassis built first, to have the suspension spot on for the feel that I want and the handling that I want, and then go from the suspension to the wheels. After the wheels, start the engine. After the K-swap is complete, I'm going to put the interior back in, new carpet, put the seats and everything back in, and I'm going to get it painted, and all of the weather strips and the window seals on the outside of the car are going to be replaced. Probably going to leave the stock headlights and all that on for now, but eventually I'm going to get aftermarket headlights. Clear corners are already on there. I might just leave those. I was planning on putting clear side markers. That's pretty much where I'm at with it. I just need to start doing it. So I'm about to start ordering some suspension parts here in the next coming month or so, and it's about to go down. Stay tuned. One thing I cannot stress is how important it is to put stuff in labeled bags. Those are the screws from the bumper. These are from the fender. All right, it's time to pressure wash the carpet, get it as clean as I can. If I can't get it as clean as I want, I'm just gonna buy new carpet. But if I end up doing that, my friend Clarence wants to buy this carpet from me. These cars are getting harder and harder to find parts for, so yeah, here we go. So my homie Randy's gonna come pick up this engine the Thursday after Christmas. So what I'm about to do right now, see if I can adjust this so y'all can see it. I'm gonna do little things throughout this week, this weekend, and in the mornings next week to get this prepared to be taken out. That way, whenever him and Clarence show up, they'll just bring the cherry picker and literally just take the engine out and put it in the truck, and then we can hang out, because I haven't seen those guys in a long time. Once the engine's out, I'm going to start cleaning the bay. But yeah, I'm just going to start taking stuff off and get it ready to be removed. So all of the nuts from the exhaust manifold are out. I need to jack the car up now and disconnect it from the catalytic converter. I don't necessarily have to take this out to pull the motor out. It just makes it easier because there's a lot of shit in the way, and I'm kind of just excited to get this done. So whatever I can do to make it easier, go smoother, I don't care, I'll do it, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna jack the car up and then disconnect it from the bottom and we'll pull it out. Man, everything I've done to this car so far has been just a walk in the park. Everything, like none of these bolts are over tightened. This thing was baby for how old it is. It only has 211,000 miles on it and it's 30 years old. Like when I was under there, how clean some of it is still. And some of the bushings in the suspension that I can see without taking the tire off are still in good shape. I'm just impressed, man. I feel like I hit a needle in a haystack with this car. And so far, everything is just going according to plan, and I couldn't be happier.